Hi guys, welcome to Las Vegas. I'm Tony from China LC Sign. This is a Gucci sign, as you can see, is adopted with new craft. You see in the front we have polished and grooved solid acrylic and have UV printed logo in the behind. This is not for Gucci. Please don't send me a lawyer letter. I am not copywriting. This is just for the show, display only, okay? In the back we can make it LED module to make it used for outdoors, and the UV in the back make it last even longer. Extends our warranty 3 to 5 years. They're all UL listed and will provide a very profitable price for our USA distributors. So let us know what kind of business do you have for signs like these. We also have these electroplated brushed backlit facelit letters. Look at this arc design. This metal also arc design, and the backlit letters all come with an amazing price, amazing service. Customers reorders reaches 75%. Customer complaint rate lower than 1.5%. Let us know what kind of business you have for signs like these. We can make you a sample.